In this problem, we have to find the value of 221 power 4 minus 220 power 4 divided by 221 power 2 plus 220 power 2. To solve this question, let's assume a equals to 221 and b equals to 220. So this simplifies to square root of a to power 4 minus b to power 4 divided by a to power 2 plus b to power 2. This can be written as a to power 2 square minus a to power 2 square divided by a square plus b square. As we know that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. This cancels this, so this simplifies to square root of a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. Put the values here, so this simplifies to square root a plus b is 441 multiply a minus b is 1, which is equals to square root of 441, which is equals to 21. So 21 is our answer.